I'm Joe Ty, CEO of Values Coach, and it was a real pleasure for me to be part of the annual conference of the Center for Rural Health Development last October, and I'm looking forward to 2 return visits in the spring. On May 4th, we will be at the Stonewall Resort and Conference Center in Roanoke, West Virginia, and it's an all-day program where we're going to be talking about values-based leadership. And I'm going to share with you some very practical, very proven strategies for building a culture of ownership in your organization, for being a more effective leader, using these strategies, and what to me is most important, helping you be a better person. Because creating a more positive culture, being a better leader, begins with being a better you. And then I'm going to come back June 25th, 26th, 27th to conduct our 3-day course on the 12 core action values. And this is part of our larger program called the Values Collaborative, something that we're conducting really across the country. We have now 8 major medical centers from the Veterans Health Administration engaged. We have so far 15 hospitals in Nebraska engaged and expecting another 30 this year. And this year we'll be sharing the program with hospitals in North Dakota, as well as West Virginia and one other state, and moving from there across the country. And the way it works is this. We have people from your organization come in, they become trained and certified to become certified values coach trainers. And then they're authorized to go back to your organization and share this course. It's a 2-day course, but what we do is we work with you to tailor how do we best implement the course in your organization. So some organizations, they do it as 12 one-hour sessions. Some organizations do it as lunch and learns over the course of a full year. But again, the goal is to help your people create internally the skills, the attitudes, the behaviors they need to be more effective in achieving their own personal goals, their professional goals. And our experience shows that when a critical mass of people really buy into, really act upon these values, it helps you cultivate a more solid, more productive, more positive culture of ownership in your organization. Now, we've all been hearing a lot with healthcare reform about value-based purchasing. And your reimbursement is going to be based upon a number of things that haven't been quite as important in the past. Patient satisfaction, for example, and eventually the health of your employees, the health of your larger community. And when you get right down to it, if you want to have an effect on patient satisfaction and on health, you really are talking about values. At root, the healthcare crisis is more than anything a crisis of values. And broadly speaking, that's our mission at Values Coach. I hope you'll become a part of it. I hope you will join us for the program on May 4th, and I hope you'll seriously consider being part of the Values Collaborative training on June 25th, 26th, 27th, which is being co-sponsored by Charleston Area Medical Center. I know from working with close to 50 hospitals now on values and the Values Collaborative that what I'm going to hear from you is the same thing we're hearing from everybody else. It has had a significant impact on your people, on your organization, and in many cases on your broader community. For more information, call the Values Coach office. Ask for Michelle. She makes all the decisions around here. Our number is 800-644-3889. Or call Sharon Lansdale if you want to register. And of course, her number at the Center for Rural Health Development in West Virginia is 304-397-4071. I'll see you in May. I'll see you in June. Until then, to quote the first book I ever wrote, never fear, never quit. We need that in healthcare today more than ever before.